Dear students, in this video, we are going to see how to apply styles for formatting the paragraph headings in LibreOffice Writer document. Here, we are going to open the file from the folder. Here, in School Resources, Standard 10, I have a file census.ott and I open this file, and here we select title of this document and we can go to format, select styles and formatting. Here we can see different type of styles. Here we select paragraph styles. Click on heading and select title. Now we can see the changes. Now we are going to format all the headings as heading 1. For that, select all the main headings. After selecting all the headings, click on heading 1. Now we changed all the headings. Then we are going to add or insert an index table. For that, we go to Insert menu, select Indexes and Tables and Indexes and Tables. Here you can see the preview of the index table. Then click on OK button. Here is the index table for this document. Okay, here we can see all the headings in the particular document in this table of content. If you want to go to that particular portion of this document, you can press Ctrl key and you can see the change here. And pressing the Ctrl key, click on the heading or the text. Here we can go to that particular portion. Okay. Okay, now we can save this file. Click on File menu, click on Save As option, and in Standard 10, I'm going to save the file. Okay, that's all.